You can see, folks, hope you are doing good today, folks. I am also doing excellent fine today. I bought you this another Royal Enfield Interceptor 650 bike. So hope you are doing good today, folks. I am also doing good today. Today's video, my video, I bought you this awesome, super fantastic bike. This is the Royal Enfield Interceptor 650 bike. Royal Enfield 650 Interceptor bike this is. So let's get started on it. Features I am telling you of the Royal Enfield Interceptor bike. Features are LED lights. It gets a halogen light setup with LED light setup as usual. The other bikes get two dippers in every bike. You get two. It has a two digital cluster. It has a metal chrome mirror. It has a shock absorber. It has a metal front and rear disc brake. Tire size is good. Can take up to 20 liters of petrol. Comfortable seats. High resolution top notch TFT cluster I've ever seen in this Royal Enfield bike. 650 Interceptor this is. Variants you get in this. Colors also you get in this. Shock absorbers are good. Good bike this is. Awesome bike you are getting. In this price you are getting the awesome bike. Again two LED lights, split LED lights again you are getting with R badging, integrated R badging inside. Again you are getting this. It's a good one. Two dippers as usual. Two shock absorbers as usual. This is there. Metal calipers are there. Two reflectors are there. This is there. Good sturdy tires. Metal disc brake. Good sturdy tires with metal disc brake. Yeah, good bike this is. Interceptor badging, let me show you. Interceptor 650 badging. Royal Enfield's Interceptor 650 badging. Interceptor 650 badging. Interceptor 650 badging it is. Lights there. Two analogs we are getting in this bike. Good two analogs we are getting in this bike. One analog over here, EF trip A 19 kilometers. Or this high resolution top notch two digital clusters we are getting in this Royal Enfield Interceptor 650 bike. EF trip A 19 kilometers. Good tachometer, a good one more tachometer with the ABS temperature. Then this Royal Enfield small R is integrated in over the instrument cluster. Then the R, then this temperature light, then this battery voltage, ABS anti-locking braking system. ABS means that. Then this temperature warning. Then this RPM 1, RPM X131000. This is there. That is there. Good digital cluster is there. Good digital cluster as you can see, folks. High resolution digital cluster. Digital cluster that was. It can take up to 20 liters of petrol. 20 liters up to 20 liters of petrol it can take. Yeah, in every bike it can take. This bike is different than this. This is there, Royal Enfield. This is there, metal is this. This is there, Royal Enfield. This, then this. Back look is awesome, folks. Two metal. This is there. Two metal. This is there. Exhausts are there. Metal. Sturdy metal exhausts are there. Metal sturdy exhausts are there. Dipper 2, dipper 1 dipper, 2 dipper. Halogen light. Number plate area light is halogen. Two dippers with halogen light. Number plate area light is also halogen. Yeah. Good sturdy bike this is. Awesome bike this is, folks. Some bike this is, folks. Interceptor Royal Enfield 650 Interceptor badging, Royal badging, Enfield badging. We have this Royal badging, Enfield badging, Interceptor badging, 650 badging. Good bike. This is awesome bike. Light is good. Let me show you. Light is like this. Light is like this. Light is this. For this price you can go for it or not go for it. Good bike it is. Shock absorbers are also good. Bike is awesome folks. It is awesome folks. Side look is also awesome. Side look is also awesome folks. Comfortable seats. Good comfortable seats. This is good comfortable seats. Back look is good. Back look is good folks. Good bike. Sturdy bike. Sturdy bike this is. Good bike this is. Sturdy bike this is. Front look is good. Good bike this is. Metal shock absorbers are there with a golden touch. Back look is there. Side look is there.